Good morning, everybody. I wanted to pop in here just for a second and tell y'all about a meal that I made the other night. It was wonderful. It was Chinese. I did not have time to video. We had a house full of people and too much noise, and I just did not grab the camera, okay? I apologize. It was family time, but I did want to tell y'all about this meal. So what I did do was I posted pictures. I gave an update. I posted everything I made, the recipe, how I made it, pictures, what I used, what I had on hand, what I just had to go buy, which was not much. Y'all, this meal, having a lot of things on hand in our pantries and in our freezers, and then having to just go buy some stuff. Y'all, this meal only costed me less than, I'd say maybe like $11 this meal cost. I made a sweet and sour chili, Thai chili kind of chicken. I explained how I made it. I did not have chicken breast on hand. I had thighs. So use what you got, okay? And then I made and I showed you the sauce that I put on it. I mixed together just a little sauce of my own. Okay, the next thing was I made a stir fry. I just grabbed a bag of broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots and a stir fry sauce. Whipped that up right quick. Then I made rice, cauliflower fried rice. My husband cannot eat a lot of rice and it bothers him. So I'm like, let's substitute. You still get the same kind of texture, but you're using rice, cauliflower. But they tried to play a sneaky on me at the grocery store. So instead of like the prepared bag of rice cauliflower already, which is more expensive, I went and got a bag of the cauliflower flowerets and just minced it up myself. I even explained that and the difference in buying the head of cauliflower, the bag of riced cauliflower, and the flowerets. I explain a little few grocery tips in there too on shopping because they'll try to trick you. I broke this meal down by price and how much I spent on it, or maybe not for percent per item, but I broke it down price-wise, what I spent, what I bought, what I had on hand. Y'all, you just got to go check it out. Let's see. And then I made some egg spring rolls, and I had some wonton wrappers left on hand, and I actually used a jar of my own sauerkraut that I had canned like about 3 years ago, but I knew that the sauerkraut would work because when I canned that batch of sauerkraut, video coming up soon of that, it didn't get as sour as what I wanted, but I can still use that for like cabbage dishes and stuff like this, and this worked perfectly in these spring rolls. So I used that. I show you how, and I explain what I did because I like sauerkraut to be like, you pucker when you bite into it. That's how sour I like my sauerkraut. So this one, I was like, it's not that sour. I can use it and still tone it down just a little. And I explained how I did that. But it's a good post. It's a good meal. I just didn't get to video it, but I still want to share it with you. So hop on over to our blogs, 4dfarms.blogspot.com or 4dfarms.wordpress.com. I'll put the links in the description box below. And, oh, y'all, just go check it out because I explain everything, recipe, I break it down. I did it all for you. I just didn't pick up the camera. It was family time, and I couldn't take away from my family to do that. So y'all go check it out on our blog. I hope you like the grocery tips. I hope you like the recipe. I hope you try it, and have a good day. See y'all later.